Admiral Yamamoto believed that they had to finish off the American fleet in 1942 or they would lose the war. On the 18th of April, in response to the attack on Pearl Harbor, the American command, which had carefully prepared an aerial operation commanded by Colonel Doolittle, launched 16 B-25 Mitchell bombers from the aircraft carrier Hornet on a mission to hit several strategic points in Japan, including its capital, Tokyo. The damage caused by the American planes was meager, but the emotional impact of being bombed at the heart of the empire reinforced Yamamoto's theory. The B-25 Mitchell, built by the American firm, was a medium bomber which became famous among the pilots which flew it due to its characteristic nose which resembled a seagull. With a wingspan of 20 meters, it reached a service ceiling of 20,000 feet and a range of 2,500 kilometers at a speed of 220 knots. It was driven by two powerful 1,700 horsepower engines. Of medium wing and metal construction with a double steer, the nickname of Mitchell was given homage to the colonel who passionately defended the importance of air power as a weapon of war. Its crew was made up of 5 men. Its weaponry comprised 6 12.7mm machine guns, and it could transport up to 2,500 kilograms in bombs. Nearly 11,000 units of its different versions were eventually manufactured, the last of which ceased to have a glazed nose, and was therefore named the Mitchell Solid Nose. They participated on all fronts, but it was in the Pacific Theater where, soon after Pearl Harbor, they gained initial success hunting submarines.